Yep.
Oh boy, here they come. Enjoy.
All right, so we got our cars already. So we got all this. Yeah. Okay, here comes the Impala. Here, I'll get out of your way so you can see a little better. And there's the Willies that we were talking, or no,
Oh my
and there's the Ranchero. There's your Chevy competitor. Oh, they do have a fit. There's your car right here. Not this one. There's the station wagon. There's the 53 station wagon. Right here. There's your 53. They're going pretty slow, Mom. And there's that El Camino. That's the Cadillac. And that's the Charger. The Firebird. How you doing, Doug? That's the Ford Falcon that Madsen's used to have one of those. They got the old VW.
I'm glad you're waiting. Oh, another PP. Oh, good.
Yeah. And here's the Buick convertible Riviera that I always wanted in the 80s. This one right here. And then the old Chevy. There's the Mustang convertible. IROC. And there's the one with the Impala with the big wheels. And then the other Impala, that's lowered. How are ya? All right. Yeah. And then there's the old Dodge. And then there's the newer Porsche. That's the Porsche. And here's the older one. Good morning. So I think that's it. Oh, we got a couple more. I think that's it.
Is it 1, 2?
Yeah, oh, there they are. And then right up there.
Well, I think it's fun that they made this for us anyway.
Yeah.
It's a cute
And here comes, is this the other one?
Pete.
Right.
Hey, Teddy.
And then you guys go right at the next, right. Yeah. And then take a right. We got some stragglers. And then right at the next corner. Yep. Oh, here comes some more.
Is there anybody else out?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a, yeah. And there's your Ford.
I really think this is nice that they do this.
Oh, oh, there he goes. He's gonna make it. I didn't think I thought he was gonna go past this there. And then right at the next corner, there's the old Buick. Oh, there's your dad's car. That's Grandpa's car right there. Oh, they're still coming. Got the Porsche and the... That's one of the Lotus replica cars that they make.
Oh, it was a Lotus. I used to hear about those cars.
They're still coming.
Is that Foggy Dog?
Yeah.
His voice is getting a little.
And then just go right at the next corner.
The last time I saw a big fire truck was when we had our accident on our car.
April. Here comes dune buggy, and then right at the next one.